What's up, YouTubians? Gary of VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to the SICKXTY project. SICKXTY.
Why? It's either gonna be sick or it's gonna make you sick. I'm not sure yet. Time will tell.
So today on the Franken Beetle build,
the Baja Volkswagen,
we're gonna go ahead and start working on getting some more of the rear quarter done on the passenger side or
driver's side, whatever side this is, because we did the other side last time.
So let's get to it. Well, I honestly have no idea when you guys stopped recording, so let me just show you where we're at. We've got rear quarter in place on this side. Now, if you remember, the back side over here was pretty well rotten and gone. So what I did is I took a piece of sheet metal and just kind of rolled it a little bit, tacked it in place. Is it pretty? Not really. Is it gonna work? Heck yeah. Still got a lot more grinding to do. And on this piece, it should stop right about here. So what I'm gonna do is slice it over where it needs to be and fold that in, and that'll help close up that corner. Is this the right way? Probably not. Is this gonna work? Yeah. Is it gonna be pretty? Probably not. But it'll be solid. Again, I'm not a body guy. Honestly starting to think I might be a little over my head. Definitely outside of my comfort zone doing this work. So, with that said, we're just gonna do the best that we can, the best of my abilities, to get this done. Could I pay $10,000 and have it all done? Sure. I ain't got that kind of money, do you? I didn't think so. So, it's there. We still got a little trimming over here to do. Still got this front part right here to put in, but for the most part, we're getting there. We got some grinding to do. You know what? I'm sure you guys don't want to keep seeing time lapse of the same stuff over and over and over and over and over again. So why not just bring you back when we make a little bit more progress. All right, well, we got that one cut, folded over, ground down a little bit. It's all right. Still got a hole up here to fill, make a little patch for that right here. So we got a little bit of work to do still. Where are you at? There you are. There it is. So we still have some work to do on that. Harden the noise. Joys of working in a garage and not a shop. Got the laundry going. Water heater going. That water heater's sweet too, by the way. That is a hybrid water heater. My power bill has dropped dramatically, which I guess all my welding is offsetting that. I don't know. Anyway, so I think we're gonna call it a day. It's kind of just, I don't know, done for now. I've been out here for, I don't know, probably 3-4 hours cutting that out, getting that all set in there, trimming, grinding, tacking, grinding. It's just
blah 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 blah.
So I appreciate you sticking around. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be kind to one another and be good.